Let's draw the Lewis diagram for boron trifluoride. So we first determine the number of valence electrons for each element. So 3 for boron and 7 for each fluorine. So that gives a total of 24 valence electrons. And now we draw the skeletal geometry of the molecule with the least electronegative atom in the middle. So each bond takes up 2 electrons. And now we complete the octet of the terminal atoms. So we need to add 6 valence electrons to each fluorine. And now we're left with 0 valence electrons. So therefore we can skip step 5, because there's no more electrons to add to the central atom. Now calculating the formal charge of the fluorine, where the electrons in each bond are assumed to be shared equally between the atoms. So fluorine has 7 valence electrons, minus the free electrons, minus the number of bonded electrons on 2. So each fluorine has a formal charge of 0. And boron has 3 valence electrons, minus 0 free electrons, and then minus 6 bonded electrons on 2. So boron also has a formal charge of 0. So given the formal charge on the central atom is 0, this is our likely Lewis dot structure.